How to fix Temu not accepting my card. Now in this video I will show you how to do that. Just follow a few easy steps. Now let's get started. Now first of all, open the Temu app. First unlock your phone and open the Temu app, and you will see your shopping cart or home screen. After that, check your card details. Next up, on your profile account settings, find the payment method, as you can see, section. Now check if the card details are correct and make sure the card number, expiration date and security code are entered properly. After that, try another payment method. So if your card is still not working, try adding a different payment method like PayPal or another credit card. Tap add payment method and follow the instruction that they give you. And after that, check for the restrictions. So sometimes the card may not work because your bank has restrictions on online purchases, or contact your bank to make sure your card can be used for an online payment, or you can activate that features from your application that your bank is giving you. And after that, restart the app. So after checking your card details or changing payment method, close the Temu app completely, open it again and try to place your order. So this is how to fix Temu not accepting my card. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in next video.